You're living your best life, sun, sea, and sand. Maybe you're working remotely from a tropical paradise, or perhaps you're studying abroad, soaking up new cultures. But there's one thing that can put a damper on your adventure: managing your money across borders. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you actually receive money from abroad with Monese? Now, if you're new to the world of digital banking, Monese might sound like a magical money unicorn. It's a mobile banking app that promises to simplify your financial life, especially when you're on the go. But does it live up to the hype when it comes to international transfers? Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is Monese? It's essentially a mobile banking app that gives you a bank account without the need for a physical branch. You can do everything from sending and receiving money to topping up your phone and paying bills, all from the palm of your hand. But the real question is, can your friends and family send you money from their home country to your Monese account? The short answer is yes, you can. Monese supports international transfers from a wide range of countries. Whether your parents are sending you some extra cash to help with rent, or your freelance client is paying you for a job well done, you can receive money in your Monese account without breaking a sweat. But how does it actually work? Well, Monese provides you with a unique account number and sort code, or IBAN for our international friends, that you can share with whoever wants to send you money. Once they transfer the funds, Monese will usually convert the money into your account currency and notify you of the transaction. It's pretty straightforward. Now, let's talk about fees. Everyone hates hidden charges, right? With Monese, you can typically receive money from abroad for free, but there might be exchange rate fees depending on your plan. So, it's always a good idea to check the details of your specific plan to avoid any surprises. But wait, there's more. Monese also offers multi-currency accounts, which means you can hold money in different currencies without having to worry about conversion fees every time you spend. This is a game changer if you're traveling or living in multiple countries. So, if you're looking for a convenient way to manage your money while you're abroad, Monese could be a great option. It's fast, easy to use, and can save you money on international transfers. But as with any financial product, it's important to do your own research and compare different options to find the best fit for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.